we've selected Umthonjaneni High School ukuthi kube isikole esizivakashelayo sizo celebrate naso or sizo launch naso i-Schools Democracy Week. Isizathu ke for us as IEC siyathanda ukuthi si promote active participation kwi-youth yethu yase South Africa. So sihlale nje njalo siqinisekisa ukuthi young people participate in democracy activities. We are also here to educate and encourage you as youth to ensure that you participate. How do you participate as a youth? You participate by registering to vote when you turn 16, and also by voting if you are 18 and above. So, leli lungelo leli lokuvota, ilungelo thina esinalo sonke as South African citizens ukuthi sivote. So when you are 18, nawe usunelungelo lokuthi ungakhetha ubuholi ofuna ukuthi buphathe endaweni yakini. So we want you to know the electoral processes esiwenzayo thina njengo IEC ukulungiselela ukhetho. These include registration of voters, voting itself, and active participation. We want to encourage you as the young people ukuthi ningayibukeli emumva indaba yokuvota, kodwa nani nazi ukuthi kuyilungelo lenu ukuthi nivote. Ubani ke ongakukhumbuza ukuthi iliphi konje le holiday esicelebrateayo olwenza ukuthi kube when were the first democratic elections in South Africa? Ubani ongakukhumbuza?
Democracy yaqala on 27 April 1994.
Yay! When we had our first elections as South Africans, that was the end of apartheid and the beginning of freedom and equality amongst all South Africans. So we are here to remind ourselves the importance of democracy, human rights, ongoing struggles for justice. And we want you as the young people and the future of South Africa to protect and cherish these democratic rights.